Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your Amazon account. Okay, so first of all you need to open your mobile app and then you need to select these options. There are lots of options. You need to select U option, and on this screen there is a option like account. Okay, once you select account option, at the very bottom side there is a option like close your Amazon account. You need to select this option, and you need to read these kind of notifications, like if you don't have any if you have account on Amazon or Amazon seller or Amazon business, Amazon flex, prime pay, or any kind of account which is related to, you can say like Amazon, all account will be deleted. Okay, so you need to, you can say like, if you are agree with these kind of terms and conditions, you need to select yes, I want to close my account, and you need to provide a reason why you want to close your account. And by clicking on close my account option, you can easily delete your Amazon account. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.